Welcome to the channel. In this video, we take a look at amazing tools that are on another level. Get ready, we're about to begin. This video is truly impressive. Technology continues to amaze us with its capabilities, and the robotic fuel tanker is a perfect example of this. This robotic tanker is a great combination of automation and precision. This video is truly amazing. The technology demonstrated by attaching a special tool to the roof of the car and covering it with oilcloth is a great way to provide additional protection from rain and other weather conditions. The moment when a man runs on different surfaces with the help of special assistants that attach to his legs demonstrates the incredible capabilities of modern technology. The moment when a man runs on different surfaces with the help of special assistants that attach to his legs demonstrates the incredible capabilities of modern technology. These devices are likely to provide incredible support and mobility. This video is truly impressive. Lifting a regular passenger car on wheels to such a height and allowing it to drive over any obstacle is an impressive display of engineering and cutting-edge technology. What a funny and amazing video. Seeing a TV that comes out from under the bed is a really interesting combination of technology and interior design. This video demonstrates the true art and craftsmanship of cleaning and maintaining glass surfaces. The man shows outstanding skill and attention to detail in cleaning a glass door. This video is a great example of the craftsmanship and ability to create truly unique automotive designs. A girl who expertly wraps a car rim shows outstanding professionalism and creativity. This video is truly inspiring. The girl shows exceptional skill and attention to detail when covering the hood of a car. This process not only requires technical skills, but also a creative sense of style. This video demonstrates an incredible combination of tenderness and skill. The girl, by hand transplanting bees into the hive, shows not only concern for nature, but also a deep understanding and respect for bees and their role in the ecosystem. This video demonstrates the art and professionalism of construction. The man lays a brick roof perfectly with such precision and skill that it is truly impressive. This video is simply breathtaking. The moment when a man rises in a helicopter, holding onto a rope, is full of extreme sports and incredible courage. Such actions require not only physical training but also strong will and courage. This video clearly demonstrates the importance and complexity of cutting down large trees. The man performing this task has the skills and equipment required for such an operation. This video is a real lesson in professionalism and skill. A man hangs wallpaper to perfection, demonstrating outstanding skill and attention to detail. Installing wallpaper is an art that requires precision, care, and thoroughness. This video provides an impressive demonstration of the power and effectiveness of spray foam in construction. Men professionally glue a huge cinder block, using polyurethane foam as a reliable and durable fastener. This video is a great example of creative and quality work. Men not only produce unique tiles, but also install them on the wall, giving the room a special style and atmosphere with the help of lighting. This video is a true representation of power and technology in action. This video is a wonderful example of using old technology in a creative and sustainable way. Converting an old washing machine into a cooking oven is not only an original idea but also a way to reduce waste and extend the life of the appliance. This video shows some amazing engineering. Attaching special wheels to a passenger car so it can ride on rails is something completely unique and creative. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will look at the interesting topic, modern agricultural machines that are at another level. Get ready, we're about to begin. This is truly an amazing video. Special machines designed to remove tree stumps demonstrate impressive efficiency and precision in their work. This video is truly impressive. Special machines for applying road markings demonstrate incredible precision and professionalism in their work. This video is truly amazing. 3D printing technology that makes it possible to build real houses is ushering in a new era in the construction industry. This video demonstrates the amazing technique and skill of the operator of a special machine. The process of twisting metal pipes looks incredibly complex and precise. This video is simply amazing. Special machines designed for slicing vegetables demonstrate incredible efficiency and speed in processing products. Watching a man using such a machine instantly chop vegetables, as if it were done instantly, is impressive. This video is truly amazing. Specialized machines for cutting vegetables into small pieces demonstrate incredible speed and precision in this process. The man operating this machine cuts the vegetables flawlessly, creating perfectly small pieces. This video is very interesting and demonstrates the importance of specialized machines and equipment in the field of cable installation. The man operating this special machine performed cable installations with amazing precision and efficiency. This video is truly inspiring. The process of concreting a beautiful floor using specialized tools and techniques highlights the art and professionalism of the craftsman. The men working on this project take incredible care and precision to create a beautiful, smooth finish. This video inspires with its accuracy and professionalism. The process of painting a home to perfection using specialized tools is a great example of craftsmanship and care. This video is simply mesmerizing. The guy, using a specialized tool, creates beautiful patterns on glass with incredible dexterity and creative skill. The process of creating patterns on glass in this way is a true art, and it demonstrates a unique integration of technique and creativity. This video is a real masterpiece. A man creates a beautiful and impressive painting on the ceiling with incredible skill and artistic talent. The process of creating such a large painting on the ceiling requires not only artistic meticulousness, but also physical endurance and coordination. This video is a true display of artistic skill and courage. The men use a crane to create a huge painting on the front of the building, and it's impressive. The process of creating such a large-scale artistic work on the facade of a building is a combination of talent, technical awareness, and courage. This video is a true demonstration of craftsmanship and skill. The man creates a wooden staircase connecting the first and second floors, and his skill and talent are truly impressive. This video illustrates the importance of professionalism and the right tools when caring for tile. A man using a specialized tool demonstrates skill and care in cleaning tiles. The process of cleaning tiles requires attention to detail, and the right tool allows you to do it more efficiently. This video is simply amazingly interesting. A man uses a special machine to create his own sushi, which perfectly demonstrates how modern technology can be combined with the culinary arts. The process of making sushi is a true art that requires precision and attention to detail. This video demonstrates the impressive power and efficiency of modern technology. A man, using a specialized machine, unscrews the bolts from a truck wheel in literally a matter of seconds. Such specialized tools not only speed up the process of servicing and repairing large vehicles. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will look at most satisfying machines and ingenious tools. Get ready, it will be interesting. This video perfectly demonstrates the professionalism and bravery of the police in apprehending criminals. This video demonstrates exciting technical prowess and an innovative approach to automation in manufacturing. Innovation in it. The special machine that creates patterns on jeans is a great example of how modern technology can help give clothes a unique and stylish look. This video illustrates the impressive capabilities of modern technology and automation in metalworking. A special soldering iron that solders metal is an outstanding example of precision and efficiency. This video illustrates the amazing capabilities of modern drones and their applications in a variety of applications, including decorations and events. This video demonstrates the impressive use of modern technology in cleaning and maintenance. A special tool that perfectly cleans the floor is a great example of automation and efficiency in cleaning. This video perfectly demonstrates the process of turning ordinary corn into a delicious and popular movie snack, popcorn. This video clearly demonstrates the impressive capabilities of modern technology and tools in the construction and lifting of large and heavy building materials. This video provides a fascinating look into the creative process of making statues using modern technology. A special machine capable of creating statues of any size opens up new horizons for artistic creativity and sculpture. This video is an exceptional example of the combination of creativity and technology. A special tool that creates beautiful patterns on any surface demonstrates the amazing potential of modern artistic technology. This video provides an impressive demonstration of using a specialized tool to remove bark from trees. This tool plays an important role in logging and wood processing, and its effectiveness is clearly visible in this video. This video opens up to us the wonderful world of construction innovation and technological progress. A specialized tool that creates holes in the wall for sockets and light bulbs, demonstrating the importance of precision and efficiency in construction and renovation. This video is an amazing example of innovation in robotics and autonomous systems. A small camera-equipped robot that can penetrate anywhere provides unique capabilities for exploration and access to hard-to-reach areas. This video showcased an exciting advancement in computer control technology. A special device that is worn on a finger and allows you to control a computer with one finger is a striking example of the development of virtual reality interfaces and touch devices. This video presents an amazing example of engineering and environmental technology. A special machine that removes solar panels from the ground during sunny weather highlights the importance of renewable energy. This video demonstrates the amazing capabilities of modern technology and engineering. A dedicated buggy that can go anywhere highlights the importance of mobility and versatility in today's world. This video provides an exciting look into the future of automation and innovation in grocery delivery. A special future machine that delivers groceries fully automatically is a compelling example of how modern technology can improve our daily lives. Hi all! In this video, we take a look at amazing inventions that are on another level. Get ready, it will be very interesting. This video is simply amazing. Watching a machine produce bread is pure engineering and culinary art rolled into one. How wonderfully she handles every step of the process. This video is simply amazing. Watching a machine produce various parts is a true testament to modern technology and engineering. Impressive video. Watching this machine sort fish is an extremely important and impressive achievement in the field of automation and food processing. This video perfectly demonstrates the interaction between man and technology in the cooking process. First, we see how the machine cuts the potatoes with high speed and precision, making this cooking step quick and convenient. This video perfectly demonstrates the power and efficiency of modern wood chipping machines. Watching the machine chop wood with such ease and speed is impressive. But this video perfectly demonstrates the amazing combination of technology and craftsmanship that goes into the automotive industry. The machine that paints the body of a car works with incredible precision and speed. This video is simply amazing. The guy demonstrated incredible skill and art when gluing in the missing piece of parquet. His precision, thoroughness, and professionalism are amazing. This video is truly impressive. The guy showed not only skill in working with wood, but also mastery of hidden and invisible fixation. Watching him split a board, drive in nails, and then glue it together without the nails being visible is truly an art. This video is truly impressive. The guy showed amazing skill and creativity in creating a staircase from small pieces. His talent and ability to work with wood is top-notch. This video reflects simplicity and ingenuity in solving everyday problems. The guy demonstrates how you can use a minimal amount of tools and resources. This video is a great example of how creative thinking and the ability to use available materials can lead to functional and safe solutions. The guy showed us how to make a combination lock on a door using regular nuts. This video is truly amazing. The guy showed us an unusual physical principle that may seem like magic. Putting the cup in the water and using a nail and hammer, he made a hole in it, and the cup remained unharmed. This video inspires cleanliness and order. The guy showed exceptional skill in cleaning the carpet, and the results are simply amazing. The carpet looks like new thanks to his skillful efforts. This video amazes with the speed and skill of the bartender. Watching him pour colorful cocktails with such dexterity and speed is truly impressive. This is an art in which every gesture, every movement matters. This video is a true display of creativity and skill. The artist has created a beautiful glassed fish figurine, and it is simply amazing. His skill and talent in working with glass stands out at first glance. This video impressively demonstrates the power and efficiency of the supercharger. Watching him clean surfaces using high-pressure water is simply breathtaking. This tool makes cleaning tasks easy and efficient. Welcome to the channel. In the new video, we look at ingenious construction workers that do their job perfectly. Get ready, we're about to begin. Wow, this is truly an amazing video. The guy put a lot of effort and talent into creating this super bike with rear rollers. I am in awe of his engineering skills and creativity. Impressive video. This man truly demonstrated outstanding engineering talent and a creative approach to solving everyday problems. Its super package which easily folds into a pocket like a wallet and can withstand a lot of weight, is a real breakthrough in the world of packaging materials. Wow, this video really blew my mind. This man has incredible imagination and skill to create such an amazing homemade construction machine that resembles a spider. It is simply a work of engineering and creativity. Incredible video. Installing special hedgehogs instead of wheels on this pickup is truly an outstanding piece of engineering. This opens up a whole new driving experience and allows this car to go where most other cars can't. It's great to see such inventive solutions to everyday problems. This man has created a truly amazing backpack rack. This video of transparent glass that can hide people is really impressive. Technological progress sometimes seems truly amazing, and developments like this are a great example of this. This video is truly impressive. The tractor driver does a great job cleaning this vast field. This is a powerful reminder of how hard work and agriculture play a critical role in ensuring food security for our society. This video of men creating huge metal springs using a special machine is truly impressive. The process of creating such huge and strong springs requires extraordinary skill and a lot of engineering. These metal springs are likely to be used in a variety of applications, ranging from the automotive industry to the oil and gas industry. They play an important role in maintaining the stability and functionality of various mechanisms and systems.
No.
What an amazing video! The process of producing ice cream at the factory is a real art. This video of a machine making cookies by hand is simply mesmerizing. There is an art to the cookie making process, and watching each piece be carefully shaped and crafted is truly inspiring. This video of a machine washing eggs draws attention to the incredible precision and hygiene of modern food production. This video shows the amazing skill of long trailer truck drivers when parking on a ferry. Their precise and careful maneuvers in such confined spaces are admirable. This video is truly impressive with its unconventional and creative car repair technique. The guy, using brick and cement as temporary materials, managed to restore the damaged body so that it became unnoticeable. Impressive video. The guy made an incredible effort to create this huge sports field. His diligence and desire to achieve his goals are admirable. Sports fields play an important role in our community, providing a venue for physical activity, entertainment, and sporting events. This video shows the true skill and diligence of this guy in cleaning a very dirty truck. This is certainly no easy and large-scale task, and his dedication to the work deserves recognition. This video shows the true skill and diligence of this guy in cleaning a very dirty truck. This is certainly no easy and large-scale task, and his dedication to the work deserves recognition.